How to create a Rednote account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me Mike from Create Login and Delete. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Rednote account on your Android device step by step. Rednote is a great platform for creating and sharing notes. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, make sure to install the Rednote app on the Google Play Store. And once you have installed the app, simply tap on open. And when you open the app, you will see a welcome screen with two options, login or other login methods. If you tap on login, you will be prompted to enter your phone number to log in the app. So go back and tap on other login methods. Now select your preferred option. You can either tap on Google or Facebook to begin the process. After that, tap on agree and continue. And once logged in with your preferred account, you will need to set up your profile. Now, in this section, you have to select your gender and enter your age. And once you are done with that, simply tap on next. Now, in another section, you have to choose at least 4 interests like travel, fitness, movies, or vlogs to personalize your experience. But you can choose as many interests as you want to. And once you're done with that, simply tap on Start Exploring. And after setup, you are ready to explore Rednote. You may see prompts asking if the apps can track your activity. Choose Allow or ask app not to track based on your preference. Initially, most features will appear in Chinese, but English options are gradually being added. So stay patient as the apps improves. And there you have it. You have successfully created a Rednote account and are ready to start exploring its feature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.